Hi, welcome back to this series of Minecraft videos. In this last video, we'll be discussing what value is added to your classroom through using Minecraft. So let's get stuck in. So, Minecraft in the classroom, what value does it add to your classroom? I bet you're thinking over these past few videos, this seems really great, but are my students actually benefiting from it? These slides are going to demonstrate some of the ways that Minecraft does add value to your classroom. So the whole world is open to your classroom. And actually, this is one of the general capabilities of the Australian curriculum, intercultural understanding. So imagine your students being able to explore different cities throughout the world instead of just reading them in the books. There's various Minecraft maps that your students can explore, like Stockholm in one of the previous videos. Imagine exploring Stockholm from your classroom. This would open a whole bunch of questions that your students would want answered. Minecraft EDU allows the students to explore the 7 wonders of the world right from their own classroom. So imagine your classroom jumping on and they're exploring the Great Pyramids of Giza. How fantastic would that be? So engaging. At the bottoms of each slide, you're going to see classroom ideas. Now these are some ideas that I've thought about. You can elaborate on just some little ideas and hints that you might like to add into your classroom. So Minecraft is basically the new Lego. Now I know most of us grew up with Lego playing, making the highest towers or making the coolest cars, or making a house with the most rooms. However, there's always been that piece of Lego that you've never had and it sort of destroys your hopes and dreams. Well, not in Minecraft. Minecraft is like Lego on steroids. Everything is open to you. You can create the Australian Parliament House. You can create the Sydney Harbour Bridge. It might take you some time, but these are really good things that your students can explore and can problem solve and be creative in the way that they think. You can also teach students about three-dimensional shapes. So instead of you putting a rough cube on the whiteboard and people are struggling to see how it's a cube, kids or students can actually get in and walk around a cube and count the vertices and the faces and the edges and really explore that shapes in and out. Now the classroom idea in this one is that students are able to recreate to scale a three-dimensional object because the blocks in Minecraft are exactly 1 meter cubed. So that's a great way for scaling in your classroom. Now, globally, there's been a real push towards teaching the language of coding. You may have heard of programs in America called the Hour of Code, where students spend an hour a day, I think it is, completing coding activities. Now, Minecraft is a great gateway into this. You can teach coding through some Minecraft activities that are linked in the helpful resources at the end of this presentation. Um, and you can really teach your students the new language of the world, which is coding. Some extension programs. In Minecraft, there is a mineral called redstone. Now, redstone acts similar to how a circuit acts in your home in a computer. So you can really explore how circuits work and the ins and outs of how electricity runs. So there is some fantastic ideas for you in your classroom for extension activities. And finally, Minecraft is one of the only truly inclusive programs because it's all based around what your computers are capable of. So if you need special software that enlarge the screen for students who may have a sight disability, it's all comes down to what your computers are capable of. And also, it works both ways. Gifted students are able to go through and use those redstone circuits and create different different working machines. And there's even someone who's created a working 16-bit computer within the Minecraft game just using those redstone circuits, which I spoke about in the previous slide. So there's some really works from your lower level students right up to your high level students. I've also included some helpful resources. The Minecraft documentary is really good, and it shows you how Minecraft's really taken over the world. Minecraft EDU is the platform which I've been speaking about that has all those different worlds for your students to explore. Some redstone circuits that your students can tinker with. Minecraft recipes, so how you make different objects. Lastly, the coding activities that I spoke about. So that's just some of the value that's added to your classroom using Minecraft EDU. Now, I really recommend you go out there and explore some things that your students might be able to really learn from. I personally think Minecraft in the classroom is a great leap forward in engaging students, and I really want to see more of these Minecraft-esque programs in the classrooms in the near future. So I hope you've learned a little bit about Minecraft, um, and I hope that you think it's a great idea and you're going to implement it into your classroom. So I really thank you for listening, and like I said, go and explore the wonderful world of Minecraft. Bye for now.